Hi all, Oracle AI Database 26 AI is a long-term support release that replaces Oracle Database 23 AI. And in this video, we shall show how to apply the October 2025 release update to go from 23 AI to 26 AI in OCI ExaDBT. There is no database upgrade or application recertification required, and advanced AI features such as AI vector search are included at no additional charge. Now let's check this in the demo. Click Oracle AI Database, select ExaDBT, select the VM cluster, then select Database or Database Homes. Here we have selected the databases. If you see under the database version, the database is using 23.8. Click on the database, then Database Home. We could have also selected Database Home directly from the VM cluster details page. Now click Updates. So you can now find the October 2025 26 AI database patch with version 23.26. So let's first perform the pre-check. After the pre-check is successfully completed, you can now click the Apply Database Home Patch. This operation patches the database home on the nodes of the VM cluster, one node at a time. It lists here the databases on this home and that the database instances may be restarted on the nodes as they get patched. So let's click Apply. You can then monitor the work request and the log messages. If you see now, the operation has completed successfully and the database version is now 23.26 for the databases under this home. You can see the update history page for more information. For the database SNAIG, let's check under the database version section in the database information page. You can also check the upgrade history for the database version 23.26. Thank you for watching.